Hey guys, this is Jackson UK. I'm at this place. I'm going to film. I can't say where it is, but I'll turn you around and I'll show you what I mean. I'm leaving my glasses on. Right. This is going to be knocked down one day. There's more stuff. Shame. So, more stuff here. Look at that. I've got a torch in the front. Oh my God. Or was it in my actual rucksack? Hang on a minute. There you go. It's all right. I've got my camera. Right. It's okay. Right. Look at all the stuff here. No. Oh, God, be careful what I'm standing on. Is this like a little workshop or some sort? No. As I said, I want to film this before it goes. Document it. Oh, yeah, document. Yeah. That is some kind of harness for some kind of chainsaw of some sort. Or something. Oh. All the paint. Little fireplace there. Look at that. A little keep you warm. Be careful what I'm standing on, and got an old camping cooker. Well, this is that's some kind of workshop sort of thing. Well, oh. Let's check. Turn off a minute. Look round the front. A nerve gun. We'll look at that in a minute. Oops. Try this door. See, this has got the old gate. Look at that. Right. Let's go, Annie. Well. No. This would have been a lovely place at the time. Ow! How could I miss that? Oh dear. Hold on. We'll just have to go through the window. Let's go through the window, and yeah, right. Make sure there's. Be careful there. Right. Fish film. Here goes. Looks like would have been a conservatory. Start. It's silly, isn't it? You've got to go close in to turn the light on. Oh my god. Start doing the bottom first. Oh my god. That's too close in, isn't it?
Get back down. Yes, fine.
Right. Oh, I could go around the other way, isn't it? Yeah, go around the other way. See, they're so. I wonder if they'd be safe. Go in. Oh. Your floorboard though. It goes to. Oh god. It's well smashed up. I wonder how long until they knock this down. It's the bathroom. Whoa, where are you going blowing? Oh, thank you. See, kitchen. Wow, size of this. Wow. Mix a tap. So I'm going to jump up on me. Nice cupboards. Electric box. I'll go in every cupboard. I don't know the history on this, but it doesn't look, how's that? Oh, it's fast. It doesn't look really, really old. I'd say 60s. What's that onion? That's an onion. The two sinks. All the lovely spiders. Here you go, spiders. But I'm not going to take. Oh, not going to tell you where it is. Twelve years old. I can't. That's a place, isn't it? Done that one, didn't we? Yeah. Could go round upstairs, but yeah, document these places before they go. Okay, it's not. This place is not old, but it's still Was it been closed for 12 years? Right. No, it's not. The place was owned by this person for 12 years. I don't know if that's. Get that out of the way. I don't know if I like this. Ugh. Nah, it's not bad actually. It's not bad, is it? No. Smells your fast stairs. Oh wow. Oh my god. Reminds me of my old fireplace at my place. Old place. Well, don't need to go right in, do I? So. The wallpaper on that. Next one. Yeah. It's very, very musty and on the beans. No, that's not asbestos. No, it's not. It's not asbestos. That's some kind of foam from a. It's not, is it? It's foam from like
Mattress.
mattresses. Castle. Can't stay in here for long. It's quite you know, it's quite in a good nick.
Because it was being done up for electrics first out.
And it's not being stripped. You know, with piping and unless it was modern piping in the end. Not copper. I don't know what they use these days. Oh, you don't want to get into it. Oh, speaking's fine. Right. You have a bathroom? Yuck. Oh, and then you come to here. And the roof is a little room. Then you get here, it's not as musty. Don't you dare. Right. Okay. Wow. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I just got you then. Right. Oh, you see it's sloping? And we feel it sloping. Just there. There you go. And that is abandoned house. What's that? It's not touching it, but oh God. What's that one? Right. Hey. Oh.
Yeah, I think we made.
Oh. Oops, sorry, honey. That's adorable. Looks like made out of wood, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Leads you to the fun, doesn't it?
No.
What's the point? Oh, I just noticed that. So I was trying to, and we went over that.
Mm-hmm.
I've got the, I think that's it, isn't it? But of that. Right.
Yeah. Let's go with it.
I'll go through. Oh. Hey guys. I've got one more thing to do. You want me to hold the rucksack? Right. Got one more thing. The acres on it though, the size of it, it's massive. Washing line there. There's the shed. All the stuff from that. Nothing else, is there? No. Right. That's it, guys. I'll turn you around in a minute. The outro, sorry. Best on the front, I think. It's a nice little find out of middle nowhere. Right. And there you go, guys. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you later.